So I just got my hands on the New Balance Ellipse V1s, and today I'm gonna run from Worli Promenade till Marine Drive. At this point, Worli Promenade is the only place where you can run at night. 1 kilometer run and the shoes feel great. So the New Balance Ellipse uses the Fresh Foam X, and it's basically New Balance latest daily running shoe. 2 kilometers done. Love the sound of these waves, man. I'm trying to run fast in them and they're feeling even better. I think from here it should be 10 more kilometers to Marine Drive. 3 kilometers done. After running on this road for so many times, it's fun to see this Lodha building finally getting made. Hey, hello. Is that a Formula 1 car? 4 kilometers done. Concert chal raha hai, bro. Travis Scott, I think. Man, I love running on this road. I feel like nowadays people are running in shoes that are way too aggressive. They have way too much bounce and have carbon plated everything. That's not the kind of shoe that you want to do the daily training with. This is exactly where the Ellipse comes in. It's the perfect shoe for daily kilometers. 5 kilometers done and we've reached Haji Ali. And now it's time for the pedal road. I think this is where the real test of these shoes comes in. 6 kilometers done and we're almost at the top of pedal road. I can't get over how these shoes look. They're too fire. It's always so fun to run on this downhill section. One key thing you need to remember while running downhill is that you need to maintain a higher step rate. You need to be taking faster steps so there's less pressure on your knees. 8 kilometers done and I've reached at Marine Drive beach. 9 kilometers done and we're almost at Marine Drive. Such a nice place, man. So many kids playing. So 10 kilometers are done and this time has gone by so fast. I feel like I've lost the track of time. So that's it. 10.5 kilometers are done and I'm done with my run. And now it's time for me to sit on Marine Drive, admire these shoes and the view.